Hi, this is Mateo from Consumables. I'm the repair tech here at Metalman, and today we're going to be going over the DWC1. Alrighty, for the DWC1, when you open this up, everything's going to be inside the drawers. So just make sure you look in there before you think you got forgotten here. The last two drawers are going to have all your material in there, so just check there first. And now we're going to go over on where to start with this. So we have all of our accessories here. We got our back wheels, we got our front casters, our axle, our handle, the chains, all of our hardware we have for this. We have our bottom plate, cable wraps, and then these are brackets for the back. Alrighty, so step one, we're gonna flip it over. Your bottom plate, you throw it in. So the lip you want sticking up on the back. You want to line the holes up. There should be 8 different screws here. It is a socket set, so I'm going to grab my socket. So it is 10 millimeter. Alrighty, he's on there. Now we got the casters. Just for right here, we're using a 14 millimeter. Same thing on the other side. Alrighty, so now we're going to do the back wheels. So you take your axle, feed it through that hole, put your wheel on. Make sure you got the other part in first. Put a washer on each side. After the washer, take one of your pins, place it in there. Same thing on the other side. And then take a pliers. Now that we're finished on the bottom here, we can flip it back over and we'll get finished on the top. Alrighty, so now we're going to do our handle. So our handle just goes upwards. There's 2 little slots right here. Just stick it in there. You want to line it up so the holes match. Like so. There we are. Same thing on this side. Alright, now that we got the handle done, we're going to do our wire holders. So they just go on the side here. Same thing for the other side. And then these go on the back, like so. Same on the bottom here. Alrighty. Last thing is your chains. Put these on however you please. There you have it, the DWC1.